In this video, we're going to be looking at how to add charts or change our chart layout, apply styles, as well as adding legends and further details to our chart, or changing our chart type entirely. So what we can do for this one, the first thing we're going to be looking at is our layout. So because we've chosen a recommended chart, we've got this, which has been given to us. If we select the chart, we can see the area that the information is coming from. It's been highlighted, but we also get a new tab at the top, being our chart tools. We get the design option and the format option. We're going to be working in the design tab for a bit. So what we're going to be looking at is our layout. So we select this, and we can then change the layout as we want. So this is showing us the chart title, legend being on the right, horizontal axis, vertical axis, and major grid lines. Or you can choose something like this, which has our details, right? Data labels on the outside end, which is the, if I select that, there are these numbers here, okay? Let's go back. So, I mean, you can go around and play with the type of layout that you like. The next option we're going to be looking at is a styles option. We can change the look of our chart entirely, okay? So I'm going to select this one. Alright, it just looks neat and professional. So that is how you go about changing your chart style as well. We now want to go in and add a legend or further elements. So what we do is we come up to our plus sign here, and chart elements. We can have an axis title, chart title, which we've got, data labels, okay? So we can have them inside the bar itself, inside end, inside at the base, outside, data callout. That's a little bit too much information. And so let us choose the outside end. I kind of like that. Okay. Data table. There's a lot of information going on there, so we're going to leave that. It makes it look cramped, and yeah, we're just going to leave that. A legend. We can have it on the right to say that blue represents the different votes. Okay, we can have it at the top, left, bottom, but let's leave the legend off for now because our top chart is called votes. But if we want, let's put it at the bottom. Okay, stating there that the blue is representing the number of votes. So that is how you change your, or add a layout, or change the layout, change the style, as well as adding legends and further information. But now say I don't like this chart, I want to go ahead and change it. I can come up here to change chart type. Alright, I select that, and I can go and completely change the look of the chart altogether. So I'm going to go for the donut option. Ooh, that's a little bit messy. Okay, what we can do is we can select that, click OK. That's a lot of information. Let's go ahead and change that a bit. Data labels, let's deselect the data label. Okay. Because I mean, that's a lot of information. We don't want that. We don't want a data label. Okay. So legends, let's go ahead and change that quickly. So as you can see now, because of this, every time I change it, so the chart changes completely. So I'm going to have my legend on the right hand side, which represents the chart more. Okay, so I can move my mouse over it, and it shows the series of votes, 5 club, the year, the value, and the percentage of the pie chart that it is taking up. So I kind of like the look of that. So that is how you go about changing the chart altogether.